Okay, this sweet child of mine. Here's the flutes, clarinets, altos, French horns, tenors, baritone, trombone, tuba, 4 trumpets, quads, snares, and bass drums. Bass drums, the head should be facing in this direction, flags over here. Alright, so right at the outset, all the brass are going to move 16 counts, and then the next move is going to be 12 counts. Everybody will move on that 12 count. After the halt, 4 counts after the halt, the flags are going to move 16 counts. So you're going to have 9, 10, 11, 12, halt, 2, flags go, and 16 counts there. Alright, let's see what happens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, tuba, halts, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and halt, flags go now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trumpets and clarinets and flutes are going to come up for the melody, and that's a 16 count move. Tuba comes over to the center. Alright, got a 16 count move. Push. 1, 2, 3 for the flags and tubas. Tubas on this next move, I don't know why, but you move right here. You shouldn't. So you're going to go from here, because I think this spot right here may be straightforward, but you don't move right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, halt. So the tuba, you're going to go from right about there to right there. So that weird thing, ignore that. Alright, this next move is going to be half time, so you're going to do 1 step every 2 beats. So in tempo, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and halt. So on the triplets. You'll see it here in a second. 6, 7, push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, apart. So you're going to halt with your feet apart. Alright, that's it. I hope it works out for you guys.